Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're brand new to Smartsheet or just looking for the quickest way to build effective dashboards, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a Smartsheet dashboard from scratch using templates, so you can present your data in a clear, visually engaging way, even if you're short on time. Let's get started right away. First things first, once you land on your Smartsheet home page, take a look around for the big Create button. It might look like a plus sign, and you'll usually find it standing out at the top left or along the side menu. Go ahead and click that. This is your shortcut to starting new projects in Smartsheet, kind of like the File New you'd see in other software. Now, to make the dashboard building process as efficient as possible, we're going to leverage Smartsheet's built-in templates. Templates are a huge time saver because they're pre-built with structure, formatting, and sometimes even example data. All you have to do is pick one that fits your needs. So after clicking Create, look for an option that says View All Templates. Give that a click. This will open up the full library of templates Smartsheet offers. And don't worry if you aren't sure which template is perfect for your project just yet. You can preview each one before picking, so take a minute to scroll through and see what matches the dashboard you have in mind. Whether you're tracking a project, visualizing KPIs, or sharing status reports, you'll likely find something that comes pretty close. Once you spot a template that looks useful, select it. Smartsheet will generate not just the dashboard itself, but also all the supporting data sheets needed for it to work smoothly. This is really handy, especially if you want a quick starting point and aren't quite sure where to begin with the data side of things. At this point, you'll see a working dashboard pop up, usually populated with sample data. Don't let that overwhelm you. That sample data is just there to help you visualize how the dashboard functions. You'll get to swap it out with your own information soon, here where the fun begins. It's time to customize and personalize your dashboard. Every company, team, or project is a bit different, so think of the template like a blueprint. You'll want to replace the dummy text and numbers with your own data and maybe adjust colors or widgets for visual clarity. Click into any chart, report, or widget. Smartsheet makes it pretty intuitive to edit contents and layout. If you ever get stuck, just hover your mouse over any part of the dashboard. Tooltips and prompts will appear to help you along. Speaking of widgets, these are the building blocks of your dashboard, things like charts, metrics, reports, and even embedded web content. At any point, you can go into Edit Dashboard mode and start adding new widgets that help tell your particular story. For example, if you want to track task status, add a chart widget pulling live data from your sheets. Or if you want to give your team quick access to resources, embed a link or image. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can always move widgets around or delete them later if something doesn't work. And that's it, you've now built your first Smartsheet dashboard using the fastest method possible. Remember, the beauty of dashboards is that they're living documents. As your data or team's needs change, you can easily update and expand your dashboard anytime. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with specific Smartsheet features. Make sure to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.